Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ अल गज़ल का एक और परफ्यूम लेकर आई हूँ एंड दिस वन इज कॉल्ड एज टुगेदर फॉर एवर फॉर होम. दिस वन इज targeted and marketed for men. So this is a men's perfume and it does kind of lean masculine as well. But I also find this to be a good unisex fragrance. So I'll share all my thoughts about this perfume and share my overall review with you guys for this one. So let's begin. Before I do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Talking about the packaging, it comes in this box, which is a very simple box which has this kind of like a dark brown to lavender shade to it, and together forever is written right here with some details here. This is a 100 ml bottle and it is priced for 1499 rupees. You can get this at uvura.com. And behind the box are all the ingredients and details. So you see a hint of purple here. It's kind of like a purple brown kind of a color. It's very hard for me to explain, but this is how the box looks like. And coming to the bottle, I think I love the packaging on this one. Such a basic, simple yet elegant and very sophisticated, a very classy looking bottle. So this is how the bottle looks like, and this is the juice color that you see. I love when the juice color is this ambery yellow. It just tells me that, you know, the juice is very warm and very spicy and kind of is very appealing. I don't know, I like this kind of juice color. And this is how the bottle is. This is how the cap is. The cap is plastic, but it's good quality, and this is how the atomizer is. Now I'll just show you the sprayer. Diffuses the product really nice. So that's a good spray and good amount of spray. Now this perfume is categorized, according to me, is like a fresh, spicy, aromatic, woody fragrance. I do get hints of rosemary in this, which kind of makes it very aromatic to me. So this opens up with a blast of zestiness like bergamot, citrus working in the background, and you just get a good blast of freshness from this. It does have a soapy, slight soapy feel to it. Kind of reminds me of that, that hint of synthol somewhere here. So it does have that kind of an opening which is very fresh and zesty. Then goes into a very aromatic mid note, like the lavender and white florals are pretty dominating in this, especially the lavender that takes the front seat. And then it has like this woodiness and amber that is playing, and with some vanilla. There is some sweetness in this as well. So that's all playing in the background, which kind of makes this fragrance an overall very aromatic, fresh, spicy, and fresh and also warm at the same time. So a very balanced kind of a perfume is what I'll say. Now this also has like a cologne vibe to it, like that aftershave cologne vibe to it. That's why I feel that this is slightly masculine leaning, but I still categorize it as a unisex fragrance with a hint of, or maybe a little bit towards the masculine side is what I'll say. But girls can totally rock this one is what I'm trying to say. And of course this is marketed for men, so this is a men's perfume. Obviously they will enjoy this one. I think this is a perfect daytime wear, perfect office time wear, and you know, this is the kind of fragrance that you can oomph it up by like layering this more with maybe a tobacco based or maybe a vanillic based fragrance to kind of enhance that spiciness in this, and then you can wear it during the evening and daytimes at nighttime as well. But this is a perfect daytime wear and perfect office time wear. The spiciness in this is kind of not very pushy. It's not very on your face. It's somewhere which is well blended, balanced is what I can say. So overall I find this perfume to be a good mix of warmth, freshness and balance overall. Now let's talk about the performance on this one. This gives me around 6 to 7 hours of longevity. The sillage and projection is moderate. It creates a good scent bubble around me, and it kind of has a very fresh appeal to it. So in every 1 hour or so you will get the wisp of freshness in this, and once it kind of settles down properly, then you will also get hints of amber and lavender in this, which is very calming as well. So this is a nice, calming, good everyday casual wear fragrance which you can wear all year around. This will do really well during summer season, but again, this is the kind of fragrance that just works all year around, all seasons. So this is Together Forever for home. Now, apart from all of these things, I also would want to appreciate the name for this. it says together forever, and it's just that is such a strong emotion for me. Like, very few lucky people out there have that bonding and have that luck factor with them to actually stay and actually live their life with somebody whom they really want to. There are very unlucky people out there who don't get that opportunity, and this name has a lot of meaning. So together forever is kind of like an emotion, and I really appreciate the way that it is made, the way that they have named it. It just has a very emotional appeal to it. So overall, my rating for this perfume is 9 out of 10. Very impressed with the way this perfume is, and this is a kind of fragrance which can, like, everyone in the family can use. So this is more like a universally flattering fragrance, if I may say so. So for all of those categories, I really like this fragrance. It's a good addition in my perfume collection. I am starting to enjoy these kind of fragrances, especially with summers coming in. So I think I'll get a good use of this fragrance. I'm really enjoying this, and this is my overall review for Together Forever Pour Homme by Alcazar. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.